Are you worried about the rising uncertainty in the economy? The stock market's volatility and the potential for inflation make securing your financial future more challenging than ever. But did you know that some of the wealthiest families in the world have discovered a solution? They're protecting their wealth in a way that might surprise you by investing in gold. Why gold? In today's climate, we're seeing headlines every week about banking crises, economic downturns, and fears of inflation. Last year alone, inflation in the US reached its highest level in decades. Now, with geopolitical instability and growing concerns about debt ceilings, many investors are becoming more cautious. But here's the thing. Gold has stood the test of time as a store of value. Even in the most turbulent times, it holds its ground. And it's not just small-time investors turning to gold. Family offices, which manage vast sums of wealth for high net worth individuals, are increasingly allocating a part of their portfolios to gold. But why? It's simple. Gold acts as a hedge against risk. When the stock market fluctuates, when banks fail, or when inflation erodes the value of money, gold often rises in value. A story of wealth preservation. Take the story of Karen and George Thompson from Scottsdale, Arizona. George worked in finance for over 30 years, managing large corporate assets. After years of building their retirement portfolio, they were looking at ways to secure it for their children and grandchildren. With the uncertainty in the market, they decided to follow a strategy used by many family offices. They rolled part of their retirement savings, $650,000, into a gold IRA. The Thompsons were apprehensive at first. Like many, they'd always thought of gold as a traditional, even old-fashioned investment. But they quickly realized that gold provided them with a layer of protection that no other asset class could offer. How does a gold IRA work? A gold IRA, or individual retirement account, allows you to hold physical gold in a tax-advantaged account. This means your investment can grow without worrying about taxes, just like traditional IRAs. But unlike stocks and bonds, gold tends to do well during economic instability, making it a perfect way to diversify and safeguard your wealth. Family offices understand this, and that's why many of them make gold a core part of their investment strategies. Gold has historically performed well in times of financial crisis, and by keeping it in an IRA, investors like Karen and George can continue to enjoy tax benefits while reducing exposure to riskier assets. Why is this important for you? As a retiree, you've worked your whole life to build your nest egg. You deserve the peace of mind knowing that your wealth is secure, no matter what happens in the market. By diversifying into a gold IRA, you can protect your savings from inflation and economic turmoil, just like the wealthiest families do. But it's not just about the numbers, it's about ensuring that your family's financial future is protected. After all, the goal is to leave a lasting legacy for the next generation, and gold helps you do just that. Take the first step today. Here's the best part. You don't have to navigate this on your own. You can take advantage of a free gold IRA guide, which will walk you through everything you need to know about converting part of your IRA or 401k into gold. Plus, you can schedule a no-obligation educational call with one of our specialists to discuss if this strategy is the right fit for you. Remember, there are no high-pressure sales tactics, no gimmicks, and certainly no free silver offers. Just a personalized, one-on-one consultation to help you make the best choice for your retirement. Your future deserves protection. Don't wait until it's too late. The economy is unpredictable, and while the stock market and traditional retirement accounts have their place, they can leave you exposed during times of uncertainty. Gold offers stability, security, and the peace of mind you deserve. Just like the Thompsons, you can take control of your financial future and start protecting what matters most, your hard-earned savings. Take the first step today by downloading the free Gold IRA guide and setting up your educational call. Your future, and your family's future, could depend on it.